We need to talk about why the price of Bitcoin going up in US dollar terms is not all it's cracked up to be, and why you actually don't want that to happen. You see, back in the day, people actually had to work to get their money. People like this miner here had to actually go out into the dangerous wilds to actually get physical, tangible gold, which was not an easy thing to do, which was then later turned into a paper currency. This was this, this was this, this was this, same thing. And then over the course of time, some people in positions of power realized that they could just skip the whole mining part and go straight to the printing part and get whatever they wanted. Take a look at this. What the F happened in 1971? Right here in 1971 is when Nixon ends convertibility of US dollars to gold and announces wage price controls. You could no longer trade your paper for the physical gold. If you already feel the effects of inflation and are curious how Bitcoin can help you mitigate some of that, talk to the fine people over at the Bitcoin Way. Get those questions answered. Schedule a free 30-minute consultation call, talk to them, and learn more about how you can opt out of this inflationary system. Which brings us to this beauty. We are currently sitting at $33.5 trillion of the US national debt, which means that per citizen, that's just shy of $100,000 per person. That's everyone. If you look at just the taxpayers, you're looking at over $250,000 per person. And this is exactly what I was talking about at the outset. Because there is no limit to the amount of money that can be printed, there is nothing in the laws of nature that says there's a certain cap on it. It's gonna keep on going up. You can see it going up right now in real time. It continues to go up and up and up and up. And that means that the amount that you owe to make this go back down to zero is gonna go up and up and up. Which also means that the price of Bitcoin is gonna go up and up and up. And there is nothing that is ever going to stop that from happening. So what we need to see is a return to the use of actual energy being used to produce an actual good, Bitcoin, so that we can live modest lifestyles. Because the entire reason that people with access to the money printer or very close to it can buy such goods and do buy such goods is because those goods go up in value. They go up in how much it costs. They continually cost more and more of this inflated paper currency that can be printed without limit. The good news is that we already have a safety net. We already have an escape hatch. We have a way to avoid this inflation to some degree. You can start opting into a new system, a better system, the Bitcoin system, and out of the current inflationary system, which will not ever end. Take a look at what Fidelity has to say about their $1 billion Bitcoin price prediction. That's not me saying that. That's not some whack job crackpot. That's Fidelity making that claim.